So nickel is an important mined element in the global economy, but it also seems like it will be a crucial part of the technologies involved in the transition towards a more green, decarbonized economy. So looking at nickel helps us understand what are some of the changing dynamics that may take place as the economy responds to the climate crisis. So contemporary nickel extraction has many impacts, but we primarily see the significant disruption of ecosystems through clearing ecosystems to make way for nickel mines. We see the impacts of intense pollution, both from nickel mining, but also from the smelting, the processing of nickel on local ecologies and local communities.